Vaaams from Mars International School.
Hello, we are the Vaaams from Mars International School. In this video log, we will explain about our project, the solar-powered plug point. After a short introductory brief on how we came up with the idea, we will demonstrate how we put our ideas into action. And then we will outline the specifications, circuit, benefits and cost of our device, the solar-powered plug point.
I have only one plug point in my room, and unfortunately, for some reasons it stopped working, so I couldn't do typically anything. And I had a night lamp which I really wanted to use, but I couldn't because no plug point. Then I really wished for a portable plug point to keep anywhere in my room, and so I could keep the lamp anywhere I wanted. And it struck me, the idea of the solar-powered plug point.
So after Afia came up with the idea, we knew we had to put it into action. So the first thing we did was to draw up all the basic components of the solar-powered plug point and connect them. Next, we drew up a basic circuit, which consisted of a bulb, solar panels, battery, socket, and USB port. Connected it all up with wires, and we had the basic circuit. Next, we added in the inverter and the rectifier. And we were done with the circuit diagram at least. Then we started working on pictures of how the solar powered plug point would look like. Then we started on the real work. We tested our rechargeable batteries as a start, and then moved on to making the chart and also connecting and testing solar panels. Our teachers were very supportive, and they helped us greatly by allowing us to do work regarding this during class time. It was actually often after we did schoolwork, however, it was really helpful. Then we went for the first test. However, the solar panels did not work. They didn't even show signs of working. After several tests and endless perseverance and optimism, we finally understood our mistakes and got it to work. Finally, we tested the complete circuit and it worked the first time. After we confined everything into a solar-powered plug point, it worked perfectly and we were done.
And now you'll see for yourself how the solar-powered plug point works as Atika and Adele run through the specifications and the circuit of the device.
Our solar power plug point is basically in a shape of a cube. The front side of it has a universal socket and a red light which indicates whether the plug point is on or not. The front face of it has a flap which opens to reveal the fold-out solar panels. The sides have been designed in such a way that many other solar power plug points can be attached to it. The right side of it has a magnetized iron sheet, whereas the left side of it has a thin iron sheet to join them. A USB port has been attached at the lower part of it to allow devices such as phones and tablets to be charged.
We talk about the circuit. Since our invention uses solar power, therefore it's necessary to have solar panels. The sunlight reaches to solar panels generating electricity, and it continues its flow until it reaches the inverter. The inverter changes from alternating current to direct current. And then it continues its flow until it reaches to the rechargeable batteries, which stores electricity as well. And also there's an inverter there which changes it from direct current to alternative current. And then, however, this electricity would then flow and reach into the plug socket and the USB port. As now you may be familiar with the solar power plug point of how it works, you may wonder about its benefits and costs. We have Mishka next on the line explaining it.
In today's modern society, we need a device such as a solar-powered plug point in order to recharge our gadgets which we are completely reliant on. The solar-powered plug point not only recharges our gadgets but is portable and easy to carry around, thus beneficial for those on the go. The solar-powered plug point is accessible everywhere and is non-polluting as it uses solar energy. The price ranges from 20 to 40 ringgit and is considerably cheap as you don't have to pay any more after the initial purchase.